Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can bet on live events on Melbet, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in Melbet and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface of Melbet on in the screen, where you can see lots of live events going on, but you can simply click on more to see the more events. And now you need to click on any events. As you can see, lots of events going on, so let's click on first one. And now at bottom you can see lots of betting options. You can choose any of them, and now once you click there, you simply need to adjust your amount shown in the screen, and finally click on place a bet option, and you'll be able to bet on live events successfully. So basically this is how you can bet on live events on Melbet. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.